Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Maya tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you how to create Game of Thrones Darth Soldier Shield. So let's get started. Go to create nerves primitives, take a nerve circle, open attribute editor, click on nerve circle 1. Make nerve circle 1, increase the radius, type 2 or 3. Now open modeling toolkit, go to vertex selection mode, go to top view, select this middle vertex, these two middle vertex, go to perspective view, scale tool, scale them as shown. Now go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history. With selected this curve, go to generate, curve utilities, click attach brush to curve. Now select this, go to lighting, turn on two-sided lighting. With selected this, now go to modify, convert, click paint effect to polygon, right click, assign new material, select Lambert, go to edit, delete by type, delete history, change the Lambert color. Just this color. Now select this, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate and rotate it -60° along y-axis. Press Shift plus D to duplicate special. Now select these two, press Shift plus P to unparent, Shift plus P to unparent. Select the nerve circle, press delete. And rename them as this one line pipe 1, line pipe 2, and this one 3. Select all, go to mesh, click combine, edit, delete by type, delete history. Now take a polygon cylinder, increase the cylinder radius to 3.5. Subdivision caps increase. Type 8. Now go to face selection mode, go to side view, select the lower face. First hide your line pipe, select the lower face, press delete, go to perspective view, go to edge selection mode, double click on this edge, scale tool, scale it just like this. And shift double click this one and move it down. Now go to face selection mode. Select this face, shift double click, click extrude. Extrude it slightly up. Division, type here 3. Go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history. Press 3 to see the smooth shape. See? Now press 1. Unhide your line pipe. Move this one up. Just here. Turn on wireframe on shaded mode. First, select the line pipe. Shift select your cylinder object. Go to deform. Click shrink wrap. See? Now select all. Go to edit, delete by type, delete history. Turn off wireframe on shaded mode. Select your object. Right click, assign new material. Select Lambert. Change the Lambert color to just this color. Select your line pipe. Move it slightly up. Now select all. Press 3 to see the smooth shape. Again select this one. Go to edge mode or vertex mode. Select this vertex. Shift double click on your next vertex. This will select in your entire edge ring. Sorry, vertex ring. Now move this one up. Again select this vertex. Move it up. Go to object mode. Press 3 to see the smooth shape. Now select these two objects. Go to mesh, click combine. Edit, delete by type, delete history and rename it as shield. Rotate it 90 degree along z-axis. Move this one up. Press F to focus or zoom in. Now go to edge selection mode. Double click on this edge. This will select the entire edge ring. Click extrude and move it just like this. Again click extrude. Again click extrude. Now go to face selection mode. Select this face and select another face after two face. Select this 1 and 2. this one, this one, this one, this one, and also this one. Press delete. Go to object mode. This is for finger pushing, or this hole is used for finger using. Now go to vertex selection mode, select this vertex, move them back, go to object mode, again go to mesh, click smooth mesh, now go to edit, delete by type, delete history. This is how you can create a Game of Thrones Karth City Soldier Shield in Autodesk Maya 2020. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.